Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest YouTube growth tools on the market, VidIQ and TubeBuddy. And by the end of this video, you know exactly which one deserves your time and your money. Let's get started. VidIQ is a YouTube growth and analytics platform designed to help creators optimize their videos and understand what's working and what's not. It integrates directly into YouTube and adds powerful data insights right inside your dashboard. Now, what makes VidIQ really interesting is its focus on strategy and data-driven growth. One of VidIQ's biggest strengths is its AI-powered content tools. It can generate title ideas, descriptions, tags, and even full video outlines. If you've ever struggled with what to post next, VidIQ can suggest daily content ideas that are tailored specifically to your channel. It also provides real-time analytics, meaning you can see performance insights while browsing YouTube itself. Overall, VidIQ positions itself as a strategic growth assistant, almost like having a YouTube data coach, helping you make smarter decisions. TubeBuddy is also a YouTube optimization platform, but it leans more heavily into workflow tools and practical optimization features. It integrates directly into YouTube Studio and adds dozens of productivity tools designed to save time and improve performance. While VidIQ focuses heavily on analytics and AI-driven insights, TubeBuddy focuses on hands-on optimization and testing. That A/B testing feature is huge. It lets you test different thumbnails or titles to see which version gets better click-through rates before committing long-term. TubeBuddy feels more like a toolkit, something that helps you work faster and smarter inside YouTube, especially if you have a growing library of content. So while VidIQ feels more like a strategic analyst, TubeBuddy feels more like a productivity powerhouse. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. Keyword research and SEO. Both tools offer keyword research. VidIQ gives keyword scores, competition analytics, and trending topic insights. TubeBuddy offers Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, and search rank tracking. If you want deeper keyword trend analysis, VidIQ may feel stronger, but if you want structured step-by-step optimization during upload, then TubeBuddy shines. AI tools and content ideas. This is where VidIQ stands out. VidIQ provides AI-generated titles, description suggestions, tag recommendations, daily video ideas, script outlines, and TubeBuddy has some creative tools as well, but its AI capabilities aren't as focused on full content generation. If you're someone who struggles with content ideas, VidIQ may be more helpful here. Now let us talk about A/B testing. This is where TubeBuddy clearly wins. TubeBuddy allows you to test two thumbnails, it allows you to test two titles, and it allows you to measure which version performs better. VidIQ does not currently offer built-in A/B thumbnail testing. So for creators who are obsessed with improving click-through rates, this is a major advantage for TubeBuddy. Workflow and bulk editing. TubeBuddy is really strong here. You can bulk update descriptions, you can add end screens across multiple videos, you can edit cards in batches, and you can manage playlists more efficiently. VidIQ doesn't focus heavily on bulk productivity tools. So if you manage a large channel with many uploads, TubeBuddy can save you hours. Next is analytics and competitor tracking. VidIQ tends to offer more in-depth competitor insights and real-time performance overlays. You can track competitor uploads, you can see trending content in your niche, you can monitor view velocity, and you can analyze performance patterns. TubeBuddy also offers analytics, but VidIQ feels more data-rich in this category. Let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. For TubeBuddy, there's the free plan where you can start for free, paying nothing, but of course it's limited in some areas. There is the Boost plan at $16.58 per month, and there's the Max plan at $39 per month. If you decide to pay monthly, the prices jump up, but when you do a yearly payment, you have a huge slash on the prices. And for TubeBuddy, there is the Pro plan at $3.6 per month, and a Legend plan at $23.19 per month. Now that's also an annual billing style. If you decide to do a monthly billing, the prices definitely jump up. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For VidIQ, strong AI content generation, deep keyword research tools, excellent competitor tracking and trend alerts and strategic insights. And the pros of TubeBuddy, A/B testing for thumbnails and titles, powerful bulk editing tools, strong SEO optimization workflow, and it's generally more affordable. And the cons? For VidIQ, higher pricing at advanced tiers. There is no built-in A/B thumbnail testing yet, and there are fewer bulk editing tools. And the cons of TubeBuddy? The AI is not as advanced as VidIQ, and the interface can feel crowded at first. So which one actually gives you the best results? That's a big question. So here's the honest answer. It depends on how you work as a creator. So here's the breakdown. If you are a highly strategic person, you love analyzing trends, and you want AI-powered help generating content ideas, then VidIQ might give you better long-term insights for growth. It's fantastic for research-driven creators who plan ahead and build content around search demand. But if you care most about improving your click-through rates, optimizing uploads step by step, and saving time managing your channel, then TubeBuddy might give you more immediate practical benefits. Its A/B testing alone can significantly improve video performance over time. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Morning Fame, Keyword Tool, and Social Blade. And that's it on the comparison of VidIQ and TubeBuddy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.